What's happening?
I don't believe it! Why did they put you in there? I never said you were coming.
Well, I hope one does.
Careful now. Oh, nice stuff. Oh, that's the trans mat. Scrambles your head. I was sick for days. All right. So, what's your name then, sweetheart?
The doctor, I think. I don't know what happened.
You got chosen.
Chosen for what?
You're a housemate. You're in the house. Isn't that brilliant?
That's not fair. We've got an eviction in 5 minutes. I've been here for all 9 weeks. I've followed the rules. I haven't had a single warning. Then he comes swanning in.
If they keep changing rules, I'm going to protest I am. You watch me. I'm going to keep the rules. Would the doctor please come to the diary room? You are live on channel 44,000. Please do not swear.
You have got to be kidding.